Fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization is a biological process in which two dissimilar nuclei or two dissimilar gametes are fused together to form zygote. A zygote is a fertilized egg, and from this zygote, a new individual in the form of a matured baby come out from uterus. So, fertilization is the process of initiation towards development of a new individual, human being or animal. So this is the most important initial stage for the reproduction of a new individual organism. As far as human is concerned, male and female individual mate by copulation and transfer a sperm through the birth canal. That sperm entered inside uterus of the female body where fertilization takes place. Thereafter, fertilized egg get implanted in the uterine wall where all developmental processes occur. After a particular period of time, a mature neonate or a mature fetus come out from the uterus by physiological parturition or by caesarean process. So, fertilization is the initial stage where two male and female gametes meet together to mix their genome, and from there developmental process has started. So we all human are developed from a single cell, that is known as zygote, that is the fertilized egg. That fertilized egg contain human genome, and genome contain entire information for architecture of each and every parts of the body. So this is the animated video of fertilization showing testis where a sperm production occur This is the male reproductive organ, testis. What is testis? Testis is male reproductive organ where a spermatogenesis occur, meaning thereby formation or production of a sperm occur. This sperm injected inside the female uterine female reproductive organ by the process of copulation. This sperm is a motile cell that has the ability of motility by its motile activity. A sperm reached to ovum in the uterus at the place of fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is the place inside uterus where fertilization occurs. Fertilization means fusion of a sperm and ovum. Now that fertilized egg come down and implanted in uterus. From there, developmental stages progress and approximately after 36 weeks, a developed neonate come out from the uterus as a newborn baby. So, this is a very sophisticated biological process in which there are involvement of several organs, endocrine system during entire developing process, entire period of the development of a newborn baby. So, life start from a single cell, that is the zygote, and that zygote developed into a mature individual, and that individual contain millions of cells. Millions of cells are produced from a single cell, that is zygote, and new individual after his or her lifespan period died, and in this manner life end with the death of that individual. Thanks for watching this animated video.